What's up, y'all? It's your boy G, Honolulu, Hawaii, Aloha. Just wanted to give you a brief update on what's been going on with me. Uh, I'm here on the island, Hawaii, and sometimes it gets a little isolated out here. So a lot of people don't hear from me like they normally would, and plus we got all this pandemic stuff going on. I normally would visit back home at least once or twice a year, but I can't even do that. So unfortunately, people haven't really been hearing from me as much as they should. So this is just giving me the opportunity to let you know what's going on with me, for the past year or so. Uh, I'm doing it this way because uh, I don't want to flood anybody's timeline with progression and forward moving energy. A lot of people hate that. A lot of people can't stand that other people are moving forward and progressing in life. So I'd rather not flood your timeline with that. I'd rather you just click on the link if you have genuine interest in knowing about me and what I've been up to for the past year or so. Or if you're just nosy or whatever, just click the link. Whatever the case, I'm not going to leave it on your timeline uh, because, yeah, um, you got better things to do. You can just scroll through and do your thing, not worry about what I'm doing. But anyways, uh, I just wanted to just briefly get into this. Okay, so um, 2020 was a crazy year. I lost a lot. 2020. Uh, Talking about some real personal stuff. I've been telling you guys, if you haven't lost a loved one, I could almost guarantee you I lost more than you. And I had two businesses, one in Kansas City, one in Hawaii. I lost them both. In order to even buy the businesses, I had to sell my home. So in essence, I lost all three. I lost my home and then both businesses. So it was a complete loss. 2020, excuse me, the year of 2020. Um, I also filed for bankruptcy. Um, I had a lawsuit pending against me, and the job that I had at the time, I wasn't exactly sure if I was going to be able to keep it because there was a lot of changes happening in the company, and I just didn't know. So yeah, 2020 was just a crazy year of just what the F's is going on, and just to give you a brief update about uh, the lawsuit pending against me. Since I don't have my companies, they went ahead and just dropped that, so that's no longer an issue. Um, I still have my job, but they did cut my hours and they did cut my pay, and I got relocated. So, and I do different hours. Um, I do different shifts. I do overnight shift, and I also do swing shift. If it was just overnight and I could actually get into a schedule to where, like a little routine, so I can get some decent sleep, that'd be great. But that's not how it all panned out. So, um, I haven't really been getting a whole lot of sleep, but still, nevertheless, I'm thankful that I was able to keep my job throughout the past year. Okay, so I closed down my businesses in October 2020. The next month, I walked into the bankruptcy lawyer's office, and a gentleman helped me file for bankruptcy. So all of my business debts have been discharged. Uh, I did everything I could to save my businesses. I took out lots of loans, lots of credit card debt. Um, uh, Took out a lot of money from my retirement. I tried to apply for these government grants and loans, I applied for the idle and the PPP loan. I got approved for 2,000 in one business and 1,000 for the other, which is kind of strange to me because I have peers that actually do the same type of business that have the business is the same size and same amount of customers, but they got approved for $60,000 to $70,000, but I only got approved for $2,000 to $3,000. So um, I even I even tried applying for other jobs to kind of supplement uh, my income so that I could keep my businesses afloat. I did everything I possibly could, and that ship still sank, unfortunately. Um, so yeah, I closed the business down, applied for bankruptcy, and 2021, I decided, you know what, I'm just not going to let it get to me too much. I'm just keep moving forward. And this thing is bigger than me. This is all God's plan, so I'm not even going to really worry too much about it. Um, so yeah, that was the kind of the attitude that I had going into 2021. So on Martin Luther King Day, 2021, I had a little side business. I started cleaning homes, and called my little side business High Tide, and uh, couldn't do too much because I had still had the bankruptcy pending, and I didn't want the bankruptcy court to know that I was still making a little extra income on the side, um, because if they found out that you make income, then they might not approve your bankruptcy. I was doing that on the side, and very quickly my company started to grow, and through the grace of God, 6 months later, we grew exponentially. I got some accounts. We became a full-scale residential and commercial cleaning company that has commercial accounts. The biggest commercial account that we have is the biggest theme park in the state of Hawaii, and most of my residential accounts are homes that are worth in the millions. So I have very high-end clients with the residential accounts, and I have large commercial accounts. So that has been a blessing, and because of that, my you know my business is projected to make six figures within the next year or so. So we've been just really working. But see, the thing is, that's not all that has been happening. Just recently, I had the opportunity to negotiate a commercial lease. So whether you like it or not, my computer business is going to be back up and running in less than a month. I got me a nice little place, and it's different. But the way that I selected this particular um, location, it's going to work more to my benefit, more so than the last one. Um, it's much smaller. It's much cheaper. It's located in an area where it's conducive to retail sales. Um, it's going to have two different businesses in the same location, so I'm going to be utilizing the space as much as possible. And yeah, this parking is, you know, I'm coming back a second time with a little more knowledge and understanding about what it takes to make a successful business and to keep it afloat. So there was a lot of things that I did. The first go round wasn't the smartest thing to do, and those mistakes, in addition to COVID, just took me out the game. But as you can see, I'm still here. Um, So yeah, that's what's been going on with me. Just been doing my high tide business, cleaning commercial residential accounts, and then I got my computer business that's going to be starting up here probably September. So I'm just trying to get back everything that I lost, and that is basically it. Health-wise, I'm all good. I gained a little bit of weight, as you can tell, but that ain't nothing. I just, ain't nothing. Give me 2 months and I get back to where I was, and I'll be good. So, other than that, it's getting darker. It's been out in the sun, getting darker, and just, yeah, I don't know, man. Just doing my best. I can't do anything about the sleep part, but I know it's temporary. It's can't do anything about it. It won't last too long. So, but anyways, I just wanted to just update y'all real quick on what was going on with me. Uh, yeah. So, thank you for watching, even the nosy people. Appreciate you clicking the link, checking me out. Be entirely blessed, and I'll catch y'all on another video. Aloha. What's up, y'all? It's your boy G. Yeah, exciting day. Just got the keys to my commercial space. Let me turn the camera around so you guys can check it out. Wow. And this unit has a restroom. Kind of disgusting. Get it cleaned out and everything for you. And then just has a little storage room, which there was a hot water heater in there, but we really don't need hot water at all. So yeah, this is it. A 650 square foot space. Half the price, half the size as my first one. So I'm geeked. I have to figure out exactly where to put stuff, and we'll have some challenges with the slat wall. See what we can do with that, but the biggest challenge is to get the place first, and we got that, so woo, let's celebrate now. All right, y'all, I'll let y'all later.